This is about the lab DNS that we are focusing on, and what I am asking you on DNS lab to install a DNS server. So as you know that, and also mentioned during the Active Directory, if you want to have DNS plus Active Directory, so during the installation process is asking you, okay, do you want to have DNS server as well? So in the previous session, I marked that option. But look here, if I go through the installation process, I can show you from here. Look, DNS it has already been installed. If you want to install it from the scratch, you can just enable this option and install DNS server. I have already installed Active Directory, so my DNS is enabled. So let's look at DNS here. So if you look at DNS Manager, basically here we have forward lookup query and reverse lookup query, same as Linux operating system. So my forward lookup query zone is hamid.local, basically is my Active Directory or domain controller. And under that one, if you look at, we have a record. And that a record is mapping one of my computer name, that's my computer name, to 192.168.110. But the newest one is 1.1. This is the important one that I have. So thing is that if I look at here, so if I do CMD and then do NS lookup, okay, then ask who is, I can ask a name. For example, because this one knows only name, so I can ask this desktop if I copy this one and paste it here and say, okay, who is this desktop? So it will answer me that, okay, this is 192.168.110. All right. So if I ask who is this host, probably it will return. Oh, I pasted the wrong one. So copy and paste here. So who is this one? It will return 192.168.1.1. Okay. So I say that, okay, this is part of hamid.local. So I'm gonna create two A record here. So the A record that I'm creating for example, I'm gonna put this one as computer number one, the PC1, and put PC1 as 192.168.120, right? So that's for PC1. And another one for A record. You see that's in Windows, very easy. PC2. So that one is 192.168.130, right? So look now, if I ask here, who is PC1.hamid.local? So if I paste it here, PC1.hamid.local. So it will return that that one is 192.168.120. So the same thing, you can have a different records. Type of a records is located here. So I can say, okay, for example, in the document, in the like assignment, asking you to create an MX record with the following information: 192.168.178. So for MX record, um, you can do it like this. I can create, for example, a PC tree for like my mail server, like this way. I can say, okay, that's my PC tree, and the IP address is 192.168.178. right? And then I can say, okay, that's my part of my configuration for MX record or mail server. And I can put it here, mail.hamid.local is equal to pc3.hamid.local. So that means that if I ask here, what is mail.hamid.local? So probably that one need to be restarted or reloaded. Then it will clear the cache and then restart my DNS services. So it will return that. Maybe I put the something like CNAME for that one. Yeah, I put a CNAME for that one. So I put that one like mail.hamid.local is equal to 1 PC3, like that one. Oh, that one exists, so it doesn't allow me. Okay, webmail. I put it webmail. That okay. Now it allows me to put that one. So basically, if I put now webmail.hamid.local, oh yeah, it brings 192.168.178. And so the thing is that if I put here, who is 192.168.1, look 20, it doesn't know about that. Why? Because you don't have a reverse lookup query or PTR record. So you see that the get timeout and doesn't have a query. If you look at the reverse lookup query zone, it doesn't have any record. So you can create a new zone. So do you want to be a primary, secondary, or stop zone? I create a primary to run it under Hamid local, IP version 4, and the range of network, our range of our network is 192.168.1. Look, now it will create the same thing that we had under Linux operating system, 1.168.192.n-addr.rpong. Next, and finish. So under this one, it created a reverse lookup query for my PTR record. So I can put here, okay, 20 is PC1, right? Am I right? Yeah, it's PC1. And then I can say, okay, another PTR. Another PTR is this one. 130 is PC2, right? PC2. Another PTR. PTR record, and then here we have it 178 is PC3. Okay, so now let's confirm that one. So if you ask 192, who is 192.168.120? Look, it returned PC1. And who is 192.168? 130, PC2. Who is 192.168.178? PC3. Okay, so you see that reverse lookup query works very well. So I want to just show you something else. If you have PC4, for example, here, with IP address of just 192.168.1, for example, 40. You see that also you can create a PTR record when you're creating forward lookup query. You can say, okay, create that PTR record as well for me. So look, it will create a PC4 here. And then if you look at here, refresh that one. Look, also you have PC4 as well. So then if you ask 192.168.140, who's that 140? It says, okay, that's PC4. So that's part of your DNS assignment for DNS section.